Water, a substance we take for granted. Yet, only 3% of the world's total water supply is drinkable. Vanuatu is a volcanic island with rocky terrain. Generations of inhabitants from Vanuatu have cherished fresh water, but their infrastructure has fallen into despair. Something must be done to support villages across Vanuatu in taking good care of their water infrastructure and learn more about the importance of water quality. We, H2ArchipelagO, are here to help the communities of Vanuatu take back their independence from water scarcity. Using the power of education and sand, we can help generations of Vanuatuans become proactive water problem solvers for their communities. Cleaner water for a cleaner future.
Our goal is to encourage safer water consumption and improve community engagement in the maintenance of water infrastructure. We are proposing implementing the Super Sand School initiative to teach primary school children in Vanuatu about the benefits of cleaner water through water filtration. Sand filters are considered to be an effective, chemical-free method of water purification. The methodology is simple. Varying layers of material act to filter out pathogens and solid bodies. We have taken the sand filter concept and created our own small-scale models that can be recreated by anyone using locally sourced materials anywhere in the world. These small-scale models are a hands-on approach to understanding the importance of water filtration. Our innovative approach to integrate our project into the Vanuatuan community by placing emphasis on children will create a cultural shift towards cleaner water starting at the grassroots level of society. Children are 1/3 of our population and all of our future. We hope to inspire the next generation to take up the cause. We are taking engineered technology proven over thousands of years and making it understandable in the context of Vanuatu for the children of Vanuatu.
RedR would run a day program in primary schools centered around learning about building biofilters. In challenges, students will be given basic local materials and asked to try and produce the most efficient and effective filter in groups. These are simple enough starting resources for students to source themselves, so it could easily be hosted digitally if needed with an online library of interactive resources. Ingrained in this challenge is teaching students about water health, the need for filtration, and a basic understanding of the processes involved. Additionally, we thought it could be a fun prize to have the winners mentioned in the local newspaper, further extending the awareness of water filtration into the wider community. We believe that organizations such as RedR can play an important part in establishing the challenge in schools and help make it self-sustaining for schools to independently host the challenges on an annual basis. They can use their community connections to engage with teachers and provide basic resources such as multi or non-language posters. We propose targeting the inaugural challenges to the province of Sanma due to its interconnected rural communities and expand over time to other regions, specifically Penanma and Tafia.
This project will instill a passion for clean water management in the youth of Vanuatu. By making these young people actively involved in the process, they will not only be encouraged to influence other members of their community, but also empowered to make a difference themselves. They'll be able to share their new knowledge with friends and family, promoting sustainable clean water solutions and capacity building. An important aspect of this initiative is community engagement and the involvement of women. By presenting children with a hands-on experience, this creates excitement and engagement for the entire community. In particular, we aim to encourage women into water user committee roles. The participation of women in committees has been proven to increase efficiency, yet they represent only 16% of water user committee membership. Furthermore, by teaching community leaders and schools to run this program annually, we are creating a mindset of continued learning and engagement. This ensures that the program is not a one-off, but a sustainable long-term solution.
According to a UNICEF study, in 2017, up to 50% of drinking water in Vanuatu was at a medium to critical risk of containing E. coli, a bacteria that can cause infection with symptoms ranging from diarrhea to meningitis. This has led to nearly 30% of young people in Vanuatu having stunted growth. With the implementation of biofilters like ours, the risk of drinking E. coli and other contaminants plummet, and the health of the community is radically changed. We have an opportunity in this country. By showing how science and education can radically change their community, the next generation of Vanuatuans will be inspired.
At H2ArchipelagO, we look to create a cleaner, better future for the people of Vanuatu. Our school initiative addresses a lack of awareness of water quality through a practical, zero-waste system that ultimately affects every member of the community, starting with the children. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and our journey begins with the Super Sand School initiative.